Hey, Shai. Good afternoon. Please help me to check the bucket elevator at our workshop. I'm in Mr. Bank's office now and need to confirm the height of the bucket elevator.
Hello, Mrs. Jude. I'm in workshop now. I have checked it as long as my finger, as you see.
No. Check it with two.
Okay, got it. I have checked it again with two. As long as like this.
Oh God. Check it with take a measure. Check it again.
Okay, Mrs. Jude, I got my tape, my steel tape. I'm going to. Hello, Mrs. Jude. I have checked it again with my steel tape. It's about 10. It's 10. I'm pretty sure it's 10.